Foundation, and today I got a pocket string guitar that you could practice on and practice your chords and all that on there. This is like a guitar, but it don't sound like one. You know, it's something you just practice on every day, and just doing the chord patterns of the chords and if you want to learn more chords, you just practice that. Then you could really take that with you everywhere you go. It's a pocket string guitar. You just put in your pocket, and then yeah, there you go. You can travel with this. Besides bringing your regular guitar with you, cause now these days when you take them on planes, your guitars go out of tune because in different temperature of of temperatures of if it's too warm or hot, the strings will go out of tune. So you always gotta be prepared to have strings with you. So I was trying to recommend everybody that this is a good tool that you could just practice on and practice your chords on. So that's it. That's it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and that'll be it.